What's good, everybody? 4i driver. I'm on the highway right now on my way to get my car tinted. I did have my car tinted 2 years ago. Shout out to Onyx Detailing in Freehold, New Jersey. And I'm actually going back there again. I have 20% already with my first installation. So what they're gonna do is, for the rears that I requested, they're gonna put another 20% on top of the rears, so it'll make it close to 5%. So that's their process. Instead of removing the entire tint, they just put another ceramic tint on top of that, so it'll make it close to 5%, which is great, which is fine. And like I said, the windshield is gonna be more heat resistant, ceramic, top of the line. It'll be 50%. So this is the last time that I'm ever gonna look at my windshield without tint. So it's gonna be interesting, but it's gonna be completely necessary because I need things darker. I still feel like a goldfish here, but everywhere else seems fantastic. So I can't wait to tint my car even darker. So now I'm on my way there. Okay, what the hell is going on, man? Your blinker is still on. I mean, I get it, but Jesus Christ. If you want to know how to pass people, go faster. Now people are like, what the hell is this? Oh, stop. Yo, you can't be in this lane and just stay there. Like, what the hell? Look at this. Look at this. Yo, what the hell's wrong with you? I'm sorry, old people, yo, you should check your license every 4 or 5 years. If I were the governor of New Jersey, I will check your license every 4 years after the age of 65. Like, for real. That causes more problems on the road than speeding, to be honest with you. Alrighty, just arrived. Boom. All right. See what beautiful cars they have there. Ooh, it's a McLaren. Very nice. All right, and a Ferrari too. Excellent. All right, so they have some good lustrous stuff here. And I'm gonna park right here. Oh, I can't wait one day to own a sports car, man. That's gonna be fire. I think that's a Ferrari 296. Sorry, GTV. That's nice. And that's definitely a McLaren 765 LT. And that's a beautiful Dodge Charger Hellcat. Nice. All right, just arrived. Now I have to put my goodies away, you know, for them to tint the windshield and everything else to make it nice and clean for them. Put all that here, put all that there, put my lunch in because I'm going to eat inside with them, and that's it. All right, baby, we're going to get you tinted, the back and the front. It's going to be nice and clean, nice and precise. Yep, back inside Onyx Elite Detailing, shout out to them. Just going to get these. So I already have this on my cars, except for the windshield, but they're gonna do a 50, which is this one on the windshield, another 20 in the back to make it as dark as that. So that's gonna be exciting. Can't wait to see the whole completion. They know their stuff. Definitely reach out to them. If you don't mind me, I'm gonna eat my stuff and do some work here, so work their magic. Think they have a little room open? Damn, they have a nice Escalade there. Now I see a huge difference. Look at the windshield. They put the 50 on it. It's very nice and tinted, elegant. They did the back as well. I see a noticeable difference. It's down to 5. Back to the rear as well. Onyx did a very good job. Did a very good job with this. I'm very, very happy and excited. It looks so fresh and so clean. Thank you very much to Onyx Elite Detailing out at Freehold, New Jersey. Definitely check them out. I'll put them the info. It's time to go inside and just literally ride it. So I'm just gonna go in. Oh, wow. Difference, huge difference. It's not as open and the tint is just right. Yup, I am very excited to start this thing up and enjoy my fresh tint. Again, I can't open the windows because they just tinted it, so I have to do it for at least 2 or 3 days until I'm able to roll the windows down. But I usually don't roll the windows down at all until probably the summertime when it gets hot, so it's good and fresh anyway. So I'm gonna be out right now. All right, so I definitely do feel a noticeable difference in the windshield tint. Darker, more shade here. Definitely recommend 50%. If you want to go darker, but I think this is an ideal tint. So I won't get pulled over by the police and at least have some tint here. I'm not even wearing my sunglasses. I wore my sunglasses going over there, but I'm not wearing my sunglasses as much right now. Oh man, this is definitely a noticeable difference. Back there, I have to know the difference as well. Maybe I'll test it at night with a date or somebody, I don't know, but yeah, this is a good, definitely for 50%. I recommend 50% tint for the windshield. And the ultimate test will be when it gets warmer. We'll see how resistant it is with heat. But yes, I'm very happy, very satisfied. Thank you so much to Onyx Detailing. Definitely check them out again. On my way to groceries, on my way to out. So, till next time, folks. Peace.